Of a fire that's broken out in the CST building. Let's just cut across to Tejas. He has more details. Tejas, what can you tell us?
Well, this is in South Mumbai. This is the Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus, also known as VT, popularly known. And this fire has taken place on the top floors, as you can see. This is partly the working areas, the administration areas of the railway, central railway. And that's exactly where the fire has broken out. And this is on the third or fourth floor, we have been told, and 4 fire and tenders have been rushed to the spot. Now, this also is an arterial road because this takes all those who are coming from South Mumbai. It leads all the way to the central and the eastern suburbs of Mumbai, and therefore one of the main flyovers which connects the CST station towards the other suburbs, one of the longest flyovers in Mumbai, called the JJ flyover. Traffic has been halted now at that spot. But this fire has taken place, which is right on top. As you can see, those fire tenders now working right there. 4 fire engines have been rushed to the spot. At this point of time, traffic on the main route towards the JJ flyover also has been stopped. As you can see, fortunately, the good part we are getting to know at this point of time is that this is nowhere close to where passengers really have to pass from really. This is much higher up, and this is absolutely near the main road, right opposite the Times of India building, actually in South Mumbai, and it's taken place on the 4th story. And it seems to be a minor fire, but given the fact that this is peak hours now, where people are returning to work, it would be a worry for authorities to try and have the fire controlled as soon as possible. This is on platform number 1 of the CST railway station, and now actually additional fire engines have been sent, 4 more. So a total of 8 fire tenders have been rushed to the Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus in South Mumbai, where a fire broke out just some time back. Sarah?
All right, Tejas. So you did say that this is the administrative office of the terminus there, the CST terminus. So is it too early to ask if there are any people still working in the office? I'm assuming that it's 6 p.m. It is Friday, so at least the number of people in the office would be very low.
That's right. And also, this is an administration building which is right above the railway station itself. Down below, you have at least 10 to 12 platforms from where the central railway services begin and lead all the way to the eastern suburbs of Mumbai. And on top, you have the administrative the departments and floors where all the work really goes on. But as they're pointing out, it's a Friday evening, and therefore there would be not too many people right there. The cause of the fire, of course, are absolutely unknown, but they have been able to control the fire because it's only on the 4th floor which seems to have really caught fire. But part of the JJ flyover has indeed been shut down for the time being, at least. So until that fire is completely doused, it doesn't. The traffic will be a problem in the south of Mumbai. So at this point of time, at least 8 fire tenders have been rushed to the spot, and of course, the immediate concern and the aim and the focus is to douse this fire, which is on the 4th floor, the administrative sections of the Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus, which belongs from where the Central Railway local services really begin.